Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a gingerbread foxy. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our gingerbread foxy, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and curve it up here. Now for the nose, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, over, and down. Then I'm going to curve it up on each side, and then bring it down, over, and up. Now, starting right here, I want to make the eye. So I'm going to make this eye pretty big, and I'm going to draw a big circle for the eye. And then we want it to look like a candy. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up like this. And I'll do another one. It's just going to curve around, kind of like an S shape. And then we'll do one more right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a smaller circle for an eye. I'm going to draw a line across. And then I'm just going to put a black dot in there for the pupil. Now, let's continue on the mouth. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down and up for one of the teeth. And then I'll do another one here. Then I'll go down and up 2 times on each side to make more teeth. Next, I'm going to make 2 lines that come down. And then I'm going to curve it down and up. I'm going to make 2 little points here for some teeth. And then we'll do that same thing. We'll put 2 more on each side, just to kind of fill it up. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We'll curve it around and then bring it up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to come out and then in. We'll do it again. Let's go out and then in. We'll go out and then in. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and down here for the head. I will draw 2 little lines here for part of the eye patch. And then I'll make 2 lines over here for the eye patch. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come over, up, and then back for an eyebrow. And we won't even draw this eyebrow because the eye patch is kind of covering it up. Now, right here at the top, we're going to make some hair. So we're going to make a line that goes up and down, and then up and down. On each side of the head, I'm going to draw a small half circle. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come to a rounded point and then back in. Same thing here. We'll bring this out, come out to a rounded point, and then we'll come back in. Now, I'm going to make 2 half circles and 1 full circle on each side, just to kind of show where the whiskers would be. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down. And same thing here. I'm going to bring this out and down. I'm going to bring this down, over, and then up here. I'm going to make a line that goes out, down, and over. We'll go out, down, and over on each side. We'll make a line that goes up. It's going to curve down and in. Same thing here, up, curve down, and then bring it in for the shoulders. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around and come up. And then same thing here, curve it around and come up. I'll do another one here. I'm going to curve it around and bring it up. And then same thing here. We're going to curve it around and bring it back up. Right here, I'm going to draw 2 lines. And another little line right there. And there's going to be a little candy cane coming out of here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and curve up. I'll come over and then go down and up. Then let's add some fun little stripes right around here. Now over here for this hand, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, over, and then up. Then I'm going to come down, over, and up. And then down, and then over for the fingers. Then I'll add a couple little lines right on here just to show that they're kind of made of different parts of metal. Now right here, I'm going to make a little line across. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up for the waist. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. We're going to curve it in and bring it up. And then same thing here. We're going to go down, curve it in, and bring it up. I'm going to curve this line around on each side for the knees. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up. And then down, over, and then up. Then I'll put another circle here, and another circle shape right here for the legs. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then down. And same thing here, we're going to go out, and then down. I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to go up and then over for a square. Same thing here, go over, up, and then over. I'm going to draw a little square shape here, and a little square shape right here. I'm going to draw a line that goes over and then up, over and then up. Little line in, and a little line in. Now this corner we're going to bring all the way towards the back of the foot on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come in and then back out. Same thing here, in and then back out. I'll make a line across here, then a line that goes over and down, a line across here, and then a line that goes over and down. Now, once we have that, we want to come in here and start adding all of the different details on here. So we want to make it look like there is icing on him or her. So I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up, and I'm just going to kind of follow this shape right around here. I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to kind of go up, follow this shape around, and bring it here. I'm just going to redraw this shape right inside of here. And then I'm just going to redraw the inside of this shape. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and in, and then a line that's going to come up and in, line that's going to come up and in, and a line that's going to come up and in. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 circles for some buttons. Then on the arms, I'm going to make some kind of like wavy lines in a few spots just to kind of show where maybe some parts are missing, where it's a little beat up. I'll do a little one here and then one over here too. I'll even put a couple little spots on the pants too. Then I'm going to add a little extra line right here on the legs and one more towards the bottom. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Gingerbread Foxy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.